Guys, don't play a dusty trip if you're scared about this in Roblox. Recently, a dusty trip has a secret that you'd never notice. It's it's so it's so haunted that you never know. I will ask you, but please like and subscribe if you love Jesus and your mom. Okay, recently there's a note you never noticed. If you read it, it's so scary. While the normal paper said the desert is a safe spot for us, and the other says the other one is lying. So please read it. Okay, read it if you play that game. Okay, and please like and subscribe. Okay, you know me. Okay, and while that black 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 guy in a dusty trip, my gang says the black guy says oh my god, my gang says my gang says me and my me and Max Sager, and we found a big tree. Oh my god, that was so cool. And Max was so scared, and he said, when we're playing with my friends, I hear a sound, and he definitely leave. That's so scary. I always remember that. So please remember to like and subscribe now, or remix or share or what you can do, or green screen this game. I mean this green screen this. Okay, and me and stuff is so scared, and even we play with my with Max and stuff. And bye guys, and please like and subscribe. Okay, wait for it to end. 47 80. Yeah. Huh? What the? Okay, wait me. Okay, bye guys.